Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if iPhone is blacklisted. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check if your iPhone is blacklisted or not, so let's see how can you check that. You just have to open up your settings app. In settings, just go for general settings and here select about section. And here you have to look for IMEI. You must have to keep a long press on IMEI number, then select copy option. Once the IMEI number has been copied, you must have to open your browser and here go for any website of IMEI checker. In my case, I'm going to open IMEI Pro. Simply open that website and here you have to enter your IMEI number. Just paste it here, then tap on check. But first you have to select the CAPTCHA text test. Just tap on I'm not a robot and here you have to select here's the stairs. So you must have to look for stairs in the photos. Once the all photos has been selected with stairs, just tap on this verify option. Once the test has been completed, just tap on check option and it will start checking your IMEI number and you will get the results. Here you can see there's the IMEI number and brand and the phone model, and here you can see there's a blacklist status and it will be clean. If your iPhone is not blacklisted, so here you will get clean option. But if your iPhone is blacklisted, so you will get anything else here. So that's how you can easily check if your iPhone is blacklisted or not. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.